Join me as I take on the challenge of exploring Niagara Falls for the very first time, and see if I can handle the breathtaking views and the rush of the falls. Welcome to our guide on visiting Niagara Falls for the first time. Get ready to explore what makes this destination so special. When planning a trip to Niagara Falls, many first-time visitors can feel a little overwhelmed by the sheer number of choices and activities available. You've got your falls views, your boat rides, your hiking trails, and that's just the tip of the iceberg. The question is, how do you make the most of your trip? Where do you even start? One of the biggest mistakes people make is trying to cram too much into their itinerary. You don't want to be rushing from one attraction to the next, feeling like you're just checking boxes off a list. Instead, take some time to think about what really matters to you. Are you looking for adventure? Do you want to take in the natural beauty of the area? Or are you more interested in learning about the history and culture of Niagara Falls? Whatever your interests, there are a few essential experiences that you shouldn't miss. From the stunning vistas of the falls themselves to the thrilling boat rides and hiking trails, we'll dive into all the activities and attractions that'll make your trip to Niagara Falls an unforgettable one. Niagara Falls is actually made up of 3 separate waterfalls: the Horseshoe Falls, American Falls, and Bridal Veil Falls, and each one is a sight to behold in its own right. But that's not all. You've also got attractions like Journey Behind the Falls Niagara City Cruises and the Skylon Tower, just to name a few. And let's not forget about Clifton Hill, the Butterfly Conservatory Whitewater Walk, and the Niagara Park's Botanical Gardens, which are all must-visit spots in their own right. Of course, no trip to Niagara Falls would be complete without taking in the breathtaking views of the falls themselves. From the roar of the water to the stunning rainbow effects, it's an experience that's truly awe-inspiring. And then there's the Whirlpool Aero Car, the Niagara Glen Nature Center, and the fall's nighttime illumination and fireworks displays, all of which are guaranteed to leave you speechless. But even with all these amazing attractions, Niagara Falls has so much more to offer. From the charming town of Niagara-on-the-Lake to the award-winning wineries of the Niagara wine region, there's no shortage of ways to experience the beauty and culture of this incredible destination. Witnessing the falls up close is a breathtaking moment. The roar of the water, the stunning rainbow effects, it's an unforgettable experience. You'll find yourself awestruck by the sheer power and beauty of nature. And when you combine that with the rich history and culture of the area, you've got a trip that's truly one for the books. So there you have it, our ultimate guide to visiting Niagara Falls for the first time. From the falls themselves to all the amazing attractions and activities on offer, we've covered it all. We hope you're as excited as we are to start planning your trip to this incredible destination. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your own Niagara Falls experiences in the comments below. And if you're looking for more travel adventures, be sure to check out our other videos for inspiration. Do subscribe to our channel. Happy travels!